The originators of Italian horror were Fulci and
Dario
Argento.
Yeah.
So they gave the birth to this genre. And what can you say about the genre of Italian horror now? What are its main characteristics and features?
Yeah. We had a huge tradition of horror in Italy, obviously from Dario Argento especially, and now the situation in general is very difficult for horror genre and for young filmmakers. So we have to get into the tradition, okay, and watch of the future of the movie, because for a younger director in Italy now is a problem produce a horror movie like the past that we have, and so it's a big problem now. And so maybe this sort of heredity is good, but now we have to get into and so to the future. Okay.
So the question about Zombie Massacre. The first question is, what inspired you to make this film? Because it reminds greatly about
Bad Taste, Peter Jackson.
Peter Jackson, yeah.
That we did Zombie Massacre because our first feature, Eaters, it's a zombie movie, shot in Italian, did good sales. So Uwe Boll, that it's just presenting Eaters. I think it was October 2011, so we were post-producing Eaters. So Uwe sent me an email and said, do you want to do a Zombie Massacre as your next movie? And we say, yes. So the reason is that Uwe Boll asked us to do Zombie Massacre, and he did it because zombies always sell, and Uwe Boll is first of all a good businessman and a great sales agent. So he first thinks about the money and the business. So we were pretty happy because you know, Eaters, it's a very, very, very small movie. So we did Zombie Massacre as a kind of Eaters 2.0. So we did all those things that we couldn't do in Eaters because of the lack of budget. Then you make the name of Peter Jackson, who is actually one of my favorite directors ever. So and it's the same story. So Bad Taste was a small, independent, super horror splatter movie, and Eaters is the same. Then we did Zombie Massacre in a pretty different way, so it's more international. So Eaters is an Italian movie, Zombie Massacre is like a normal zombie movie. And being honest, we have no messages in Zombie Massacre. Zombie Massacre is pure entertainment. So it's action. It's more action than horror. Even if we have 300 zombies, we have monsters, we have rat zombies, we have a lot of things, but actually there's no message. It's we wanted to do something that was funny also in the production. So we prefer to focus on action, on horror, but I have to say that we focus very much on actors, because you know usually acting in zombie movies is not the best part of the movie. So, but we did very good casting. So I think that one of the strength of Zombie Massacre is the cast. So we have very, very, very good performances.